Kayak care, the essentials of kayak maintenance. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, kayak maintenance. This video is designed to help English language learners understand what kayak maintenance involves and why it's important. Whether you're a kayaking enthusiast or just curious about this topic, you're in the right place. Kayak maintenance refers to the regular care and repair activities necessary to keep a kayak in good working condition. This involves various tasks, from simple cleaning to more complex repairs. The word maintenance is key here, as it implies ongoing care rather than a one-time activity. Maintaining your kayak is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures safety on the water. A well-maintained kayak is less likely to have unexpected problems that could lead to accidents. Secondly, regular maintenance extends the lifespan of your kayak, making it a worthwhile investment. Lastly, it helps maintain the kayak's performance, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience each time you use it. 1. Cleaning. Regularly clean your kayak to remove dirt, salt water, and debris. This prevents material degradation. 2. Storage. Store your kayak in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to prevent damage. 3. Inspection. Regularly check for any damages like cracks or leaks. Early detection is crucial for timely repairs. 4. Lubrication. Lubricate moving parts such as rudder and foot pedals to ensure smooth operation. 5. Protection. Use kayak covers and UV protectants to shield your kayak from environmental elements. For those who use their kayaks frequently or in challenging conditions, understanding advanced maintenance like fiberglass repair, replacing worn-out parts, or even custom modifications can be beneficial. This level of maintenance requires more knowledge and sometimes professional assistance. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of kayak maintenance and its importance. Remember, taking good care of your kayak not only ensures your safety but also enhances your kayaking experience. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in our English language learning series.